526, effective until 10 p.m.
Oh boy.
This watch includes the following county: St. Mary's, Maryland, and Chesapeake Bay from Drum Point, Maryland to Smith Point, Virginia. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging winds in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA weather radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. Issued at 3:33
An
p.m.
FFW where?
The National Weather Service in Wakefield has issued a flash flood warning for northeastern Worcester County in southeastern Maryland until 6:30 p.m.
Oh boy.
At 3:33 p.m., the public reported thunderstorms producing heavy rain with reports of flooding on 124th St. and Coastal Highway. Additional rainfall amounts up to 1 inch are possible in the Warren
I figured
area.
WXJ was going to tone that.
Flash flooding is already occurring. Hazard: flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source: public reported. Impact: flash flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Ocean City, Cape Isle of Wight, Ocean Pines, and West Ocean City. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood
Think
deaths
here in
occur in
Worcester.
vehicles. Please report flooding by calling 757-899-2415, posting to the National Weather Service Wakefield Facebook page, or using X at NWS Wakefield, VA. Repeating, a flash flood warning has been issued until 6:30 p.m. for the following county: Worcester, Maryland.
Another FFW.
At 3:49 p.m. The National Weather Service in Wakefield has issued a flash
Has to
flood
be
warning
fast
for
peak.
northeastern Worcester County in southeastern Maryland until 7 p.m.
Another one from
3:49
Worcester?
p.m. Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the Warren area. Between 1 and 2 inches of rain have fallen.
Well, at least both are on par. So I can pull it up. Yep, this has to be Aztec Island, right? See that, see that, see that? Yep, definitely Aztec Island.
Turn around. Don't drown when
Wait a
encountering
minute.
flooded roads.
This is the south side of
Most
Ocean
flood deaths
City.
occur in vehicles. Please report flooding by calling 757-899-2415, posting to the National Weather Service Wakefield Facebook page, or using X at NWS Wakefield, VA. Repeating, a flash flood warning has been issued until 7 p.m. for the following county: Worcester, Maryland. Mount Holly has issued a flash flood warning for West Central Sussex County in southern Delaware until 2:15 a.m. At 10:25 p.m., Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy thunderstorms were located along the line.
Yep, like I figured, KAC 92 is relaying.
Already fallen across the same area the last couple of hours. The expected rainfall rate is 1 to 2 inches in 1 hour. Additional rainfall amounts of 1 to 2 inches are possible in the Warren area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard: flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source: radar. Impact: flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well
this
as
is for
other drainage
Seaford.
and low-lying areas. Some locations that may experience flash flooding include Seaford,
Yep.
Blades, and Bethel. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Be especially cautious at night when it is harder to recognize the dangers of flooding. Weather Service in Wakefield has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for western Wycomico County in southeastern Maryland, Dorchester County in southeastern Maryland, until 10:45 p.m. At 9:40 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 6 miles west of University of Maryland Center for Environmental Studies to 7 miles southeast of Cambridge to 10 miles northeast of Deal Island, moving northeast at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to trees and power lines. Severe thunderstorms will be near Cambridge and University of Maryland Center for Environmental Studies around 9:45 p.m. Vienna around 9:50 p.m. Hebron and Secretary around 9:55 p.m. Hurlick around 10 p.m. Sharptown around 10:05 p.m. Other locations impacted by these severe thunderstorms include Galestown, Cape Penny, With the Green, Madison, Brookview, El Dorado, Royal Oak, Hudson, Church Creek, and Lloyds. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Please report severe weather by calling 757-899-2415, posting to the National Weather Service Wakefield Facebook page, or using X at NWS Wakefield, VA. Weather Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southwestern Sussex County in southern Delaware, southeastern Talbot County in eastern Maryland, southern Caroline County in eastern Maryland, until 10:45 p.m. At 9:58 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from University of Maryland Center for Environmental Studies to near Vienna to 6 miles southwest of Hebron, moving northeast at 25 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damage to roofs, siding, trees, and power lines is possible. Locations impacted include Easton, Seaford, Laurel, Federalsburg, Delmer, Trapp, Preston, Tenyard, Harmony, Agner, Choptank, Hambleton, Windy Hill, Blades, and Bethel. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 10:45 p.m. for the following county: Sussex, Delaware, and the following counties in Maryland, Caroline, and Talbot. Weather Service in Wakefield has issued a flash flood warning for northern Dorchester County in southeastern Maryland, Wicomico County in southeastern Maryland, until 12:15 a.m. At 9:13 p.m., Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Between 1 and 2.5 inches of rain have fallen. Additional rainfall amounts of 1 to 2 inches are possible in the warned area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard, flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source, radar. Impact, flash flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Cambridge, Hurlick, Sharptown, Secretary, Vienna, University of Maryland Center for Environmental Studies, East New Market, Galestown, Brookview, El Dorado, Linkwood, Lloyds, and Hudson. Turn around, don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Please report flooding by calling 757-899-2415, posting to the National Weather Service Wakefield Facebook page, or using X at Wakefield.